Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Well, actually, this isn't my kitchen, this is my mum's kitchen, but she has kindly let me take over her kitchen to show you guys this recipe, my famous Rocky Road recipe, and I'm about to share it with you guys. This recipe is top secret, let me tell you. So many people have asked me for this recipe, and until now, I have kept it a well hidden secret. Now, if you are hosting a party or you are invited as a guest to a party and you would like to take something made with your own two hands, you want to be the hit of this party, then this video is for you. This recipe is so simple that it will have you looking like a culinary genius, and I'm really excited to show you this recipe. Now, who doesn't love Rocky Road? Anybody? I didn't think so. Rocky Road is just delicious. It's just gooey and gnarly, and it's got marshmallows and nuts and chocolate and whatever other bits you like to put in it. And I'm going to show you my favorite way of making Rocky Road. You will need 400 grams of chocolate, the best quality chocolate that you can afford. I prefer dark chocolate, 70% cocoa. Because Rocky Road is so sweet with the marshmallows, I like dark chocolate because I feel that it balances it out, and it just is the perfect balance between sweet and smooth, if you know what I mean. So that's just what I prefer. You could use white chocolate, milk chocolate, whatever you prefer, but that is my choice. So 400 grams of chocolate, 400 grams of marshmallows. I get the Pascal ones, they're just nice and soft. You get pink and white ones in the pack. 125 grams of unsalted peanuts, 1 cup of rice bubbles or Rice Krispies, and lastly, some fine desiccated coconut for the garnish. Now make sure you have a baking tray that's about that deep. What is that, about 3 centimeters? Not too shallow, not too deep, just the perfect size that you would like the thickness of your Rocky Road. Mine's a square baking tray, and I've just lined it with some baking paper, so that's ready to go for me to pour my mixture in. So what we're going to do first is break up the dark chocolate into small pieces into a heat-proof stainless steel bowl. Then I'm going to place the bowl over a pot of simmering water so the chocolate can melt. It's important that the water in the pot isn't filled up too high, and it's also not boiling away. It needs to be at a low simmer so that it doesn't scorch the chocolate. Now, while the chocolate is melting, I'm going to combine the marshmallows, peanuts, and Rice Krispies into a bowl. Make sure you keep stirring. Make sure all the lumps are out of the chocolate and the chocolate's nice and silky and smooth. So now all I'm going to do is pour the melted chocolate over my marshmallow and nut mixture. Now here you need to work delicately but quickly to make sure that the chocolate coats every last bit of marshmallow and nut. And then pour mixture into your baking tray. once you've poured the mixture into the pan, make sure you spread out the mixture evenly so there's no gaps and holes anywhere, so that when the Rocky Road is set and you cut it, it's nice and thick and chunky and no broken bits have fallen off because there's huge gaps. And finally, while the Rocky Road is still tacky, just sprinkle some of the coconut on top, as much or as little as you like. I think less is more, not too much, just a little bit to give it some colour and a little bit of sweetness and that delicious coconut tropical vibe. And that is basically all there is to it. So now all I need to do is cover the Rocky Road with tin foil and place it in the fridge for at least 3 hours, or preferably overnight. All that's left to do now is to wash the dirty dishes, wait for the Rocky Road to set before I cut it into pieces. What most people do is lick the bowl and the spoon, but I'm way too sophisticated for that. So usually my kid does that, but he's not here at the moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash up. Hey Gabe.
What are you doing?
I'm just filming.
Are you making Rocky Road?
Yeah.
You got
What?
stuff on your face? Chocolate or something?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. So once the Rocky Road has set, I like to cut mine on a chopping board, of course, into diamond shapes. I get around 4 or 5 rows in every block. I like to wrap them up in clear cellophane and tie them with some twine and give them like that. They look really pretty. It's just a really nice way to present a dessert, I think. And when everyone tries the Rocky Road, be ready for demands of where did you get it, how did you make it, what's the recipe, because everyone will just love it. It is that delicious. That's how simple it is, guys, to be the talk of the town with my Rocky Road recipe. Please, if you do make this recipe and you try it, or you take it somewhere and other people try it, let me know what kind of feedback you get. Let me know what you thought of this recipe. Let me know if you'd like me to share other recipes with you in the comments down below. I would love to know. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little recipe video. I may start a new series, Cooking with Jo. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more cooking recipes. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I guess I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.